We are going to have a discussion on the topic government hospital versus private hospital. I think government hospital better, see proof private hospital better. Let's start.
I think a private hospital is good for us because there is many facility and there is many machines available. So how can you say that private hospital is not good?
Government hospital also many facilities and also many machines available.
How can you say that there is many facility available?
Because I have seen.
But I have never seen.
Your problem, not my problem.
No, because it's not happened.
Have you example?
As like you go in a government hospital and there is a doctor is not available every time and they not treat very well. So I think government hospital is not good.
There is doctors available in every time.
No, because I tell you one story. One day I go to government hospital because I have ill, but uh, I had seen there is no doctor available and that and their staff is said in this time doctor is not available, so you can go home.
But I have a example. One day she is my neighbor auntie. She is pregnant. She go to private hospital. There is not. There is doctor saying she is critical condition. I cannot do this. She go to government hospital. Doctor saying she is normal condition. I can do this.
Yes, I agree with you, but I am not totally agree with you because you imagine you have heart disease as like cancer. So what will you do? Because government hospital not treat well.
Government hospital also treat. You know BHU, PGI and AIMS hospital.
Yes.
So there is go to many disease, many doctors available.
No, I think they treat not very well because they are very careless.
Not they are high quality AIMS hospital. There are many doctors available. They treat very well.
Oh really?
Yes.
But you know what's the quality of a private hospital? They treat very well and they give
but fee is but fee is very high. Poor is not go to private hospital. Villager also go to government hospital.
But you know, a government hospital is very dirty and there is very germs.
No, this time this is past time, not present time.
But I have seen in this time.
Where?
In government hospital.
Not you say wrong because you are not go to there.
I go there and I have seen. So I am saying.
Some example.
What example?
Because this problem is past time, not present time.
But I am saying in this time it's problem.
Not. You know. You say wrong because there are many facilities. There are cleanness.
No, you know their nurse is very careless.
Not.
Because they have no idea that how take injection.
How can say this?
Because I have seen and I go
private hospital, private hospital doctor are not available anytime and nurses not available anytime.
How can you say that?
Because I have seen I was ill. I am go to private hospital. There are no doctor, there are no nurses available time.
You are saying wrong.
Not. I say
private hospital and you seen.
I have go to private hospital because I have seen there are no doctors available.
How can you say that there is not available doctors?
Because I have go to private hospital. I have seen.
No, I am not agree with you.
Why?
Because I have always seen they are every time available.
Villager are
And
also
there are many doctors, and they are very
yes,
educated.
many
and
doctors available, but they are not treated very well.
how can you say that?
Because
Many
I-
people goes to private hospital because they treat very well.
Not they treat not very well because they are careless.
You know, in government hospital is not available oxygen, etc.
This is available
How can you say that this is available?
because I have seen one day my grandmother is very ill. She she need oxygen. There are available oxygen. So how can say this government hospital bed?
You know, one patient went to government hospital, and they treat, but they refer to private hospital.
नहीं not government hospital also go to refer a government hospital,
No,
not
no.
private
You
hospital.
are saying wrong.
Not I'm saying right because I have seen.
How can you say that?
Because I have seen. I have some example.
You know, you have no knowledge about private hospital, because private hospital is private, and everything is private.
Yes, you are right. But there are. I am going to government private hospital. There are no doctors available. There are costly medicine.
Yes, I know there is a costly, but they treat very well, so they take costly fees.
Not. You say wrong.
What not? You know,
Because I am
government
going
hospital,
because I am going to private hospital. They treat not very well.
you know, go in government hospital, they treat more and more medicine, and they write medicine, and you go outside and you take their medicine. How?
Yes, you are right. But they treat very well.
I am not agree with you that they treat very well,
Why?
because I have seen.
Some example. Tell me.
You like imagine you have a cancer, so, and they said I am not able to treat you, so you can go in private hospital.
So,
what will you do?
He said you can go to government hospital. You can go to AIMS hospital. There are treat very well because AIMS hospital is very high. Government hospital.
Yes, you're saying right, but
So how can say this government hospital is bad?
because private hospital is better than government hospital, so I am saying.